Here's how Lovable actually works. You describe your app in a plain English. Lovable then generates production-ready code in multiple languages simultaneously. For the frontend, it writes JavaScript and React. For the backend, it writes Python. For the database, it writes SQL. All three parts are generated together from one single description, and all data is stored in one unified database. User profiles, game progress, sound settings, and parent passwords all live in the same place. No manual integration needed. First, we wrote detailed descriptions of every screen and function. Opening screen, close screen, registration, and to protect personal data, we have added additional questions for parents in case they forget their password. Alphabet's main menu and 3 games, Super Password, Forest, and Jungle. We fed those descriptions into Lovable. It generated a JavaScript frontend, Python backend, and SQL database tables all at once. But generation was just the first step. Lovable gives you access to separate code blocks where you can see and edit the generated code. We spent hours inside these books, correcting and refining. Sometimes the logic was wrong, sometimes the file paths didn't match. The Alphabet folder structure was a nightmare. We had to manually fix the folder structure and rename assets until everything worked. We also had to learn Lovable from scratch. We searched for alternatives, compared features, and committed to Lovable because it offered full-stack generation in one place. After the web app was stable, we moved to Kodular. Kodular is a wrapper tool. It takes any web app and turns it into a native Android APK. We adjusted the UI scrolling for mobile screen, fixed layout issues, and exported the final package. Testing was the last challenge. Our own schools rejected us on deadline day. We found another school, moved filming by 24 hours, and used real kid feedback to make final tweaks.
Данное приложение требует доработки включения следующих функций. Это, во-первых, кибергигиены. Второе, это на сегодняшний день самая распространенная форма социальной инженерии, это фишинга и кюшинга. А также требуется включение дополнительных мер защиты, как мультифакторная аутентификация, двухфакторная аутентификация, дополнительные меры защиты, дополнительные вопросы для защиты детей в интернете.
We took the specialist alphabet, and once he received a patent from the state, we will add the full alphabet in the appendix and will also be inside the book. We also have plans for the future. We want to add user profiles, add skins for the owl, add a payment system for premium content like extra games or advanced lessons. These features are not in the current demo, but the database and code structure are already designed to support them easily.